Hi, and welcome back to another video in the AI Shorts video series, a series focused on the transformations we're experiencing in terms of AI or artificial intelligence. So in this particular video, I'm just going to give you a resource. It's called Futurepedia, and I want to suggest to you it's your go-to source to find anything related to AI. So we're going to look at this. It's very easy to navigate, and my tip to you is to use this because the site has the most comprehensive list of AI tools I've ever seen anywhere, close to 900 or more since the last time I looked, and it's all searchable by topic. So if you want something for graphic design, you can find it. If you want something for writing, you can find it, and really anything out there, including coding and Microsoft Excel spreadsheet applications. So let me show you a little bit more here about how to use Futurepedia. All right, so to get started with Futurepedia, it's super easy to do. You're just going to go to this site. So it's all one word, Futurepedia.io. And once you're there, you're just going to see this page here. So it's super easy to navigate. And again, the whole point of Futurepedia is to not actually do any AI. So there aren't any AI hosted apps here. There isn't anything that you can actually use. It's just going to take you to links. So it's essentially a giant directory, as you can see here, of AI tools. When I first started looking at this, it was around 700 tools, and now it's all the way up to over 1,200. What's cool about this is they have them in categories. So you could either just type in something, like you could type in like image, and then maybe something will come up. If I just hit return, theoretically anything that relates to images will come up here. And then you could decide to go to that website. You could do a bookmark, add it to your favorites. And so it's kind of cool. It's your one-stop shop really for trying to find any useful AI tools. The other thing you can do is when you come to the search engine here, the categories come up. And so if you only want to do copywriting, click on that, and then it'll show you all the AI tools available for copywriting. So for me, probably I would be interested, for example, in audio. And so let's see if anything comes up, social media assistant. So I'm just going to type in audio in this case, and the category does come up for audio editing. You know, probably remember the one I've been using, which I have a separate video on, is by Adobe. And the reason for that is it's free. One of the things I want to warn you about when you start using any of this AI is there's a lot of pay to play kind of software and websites. In fact, most of the AI stuff I do with images has limitations, so they will limit you to maybe 20 downloads a day or a certain number of downloads per month. So not all of this is free because AI is the latest and greatest technology that folks are using. You typically will find that a lot of these links will take you to sites that are actually pay sites. And this is the one I was talking about, Adobe Podcast. I really recommend that. So again, you'll just click on this and it will take you to the website and you can start using it. In this case, there is a place to sign in if you have an Adobe account. So there's not a lot to say about this. I would just recommend that you go and discover what's available here on Futurepedia. If you want to use any AI apps, you can also click on the Discover tab here. You can also click on Favorites. So they do a few more here where you can, in this case, your favorites will post here, but you do have to sign in with your Google account. So you can kind of decide if you want to do that. If you find one that's not on here, you could submit the tool, and then presumably they will go through and make a decision and add it. And you can see right here, they just today added 12 tools, and these are new ones, and again, in different categories. So I think the best place to start with is just go to the search bar here, decide on what you want to look for, type in a keyword, and see what pops up. So hopefully that's going to be helpful. I really encourage you to use Futurepedia for you to look up any of your possible AI needs that might be out there. And that will be it today here in this AI Shorts video focus on Futurepedia, and I hope you get a chance to use it. I think it's a great resource to find anything related to your AI educational needs. Thanks for listening, and I'll have more videos in this series.